pollinating flowers since morning. When we are slated from flower to flower, I am actually working hard. That's why we are called busy bees, not lazy bees. I will show you our comb and choose what busy bees do all day. Welcome to our home. We call it honeycomb. Call what a honeycomb? This is amazing. Who built the amazing structure? Leaf is structured with a team, care and love. You built wonderful. What is this honeycomb made of? Beyond that, tell you thing. I will tell you we produce a material. Our surface is called beeswax. A beeswax? It is a dull yellow solid secreted by us, which we use to form the base honeycomb. Wow! Yes, all the bees work by coordination with each other to keep honeycomb functional. Really? How? I am a queen bee. I just create a colony. I am the hand and soul of it. We are young, we feature larva, we feature queen. We make honey from nectar, brought by our elders and stored it. Just great. I wish all mammals and birds would work like this. Not only this, we even protect our home together. We fight on all spaces together. Just awesome! I wish I could witness that too. Use the television. See that monkey. He is coming to